Hey everybody, this is Matt here. In this video I'm simply going to show you all how to view video and photo on your Akaso Brave 7 action camera. Basically I'm going to show you how to view them on the camera. Now you can see the camera's on here. I'm just going to swipe left now to get to where we can view the recordings. Here's a video recording here. Now you can't see it very well here because of the glare, the reflection of the glare off the screen back here. But in the upper left, there's a little icon that looks like a bunch of little squares in a tiled fashion. I'm going to get to that in a moment, but I'm just going to swipe through these clips, and you can see now I can tap the play icon to play them, but I'm going to swipe back and show you that bar in the upper center there. See that bar in the upper center? I can swipe down now. Oh, I swiped down too far. Swipe that up. That one there, that's the menu, some menu options there. But now we can see we're back to the shooting screen. So we swipe left, and if we want to, in a pinch, go back to the shooting screen, just swipe down again. Okay, perfect. Now we're back at the shooting screen. Now I'm going to swipe left. Now I'm going to swipe left, and we can see the video recordings. And I can swipe left and go through the video recordings. And I can now tap the icon in the upper left. But I don't think you guys can see that very well. So I'm going to keep swiping through these now till we get to a vertical video that I recorded. Okay, perfect. See that icon in the upper left there? I'm going to tap that now. You can see it looks like a bunch of squares. It's like a little tile of squares. I'm going to tap it now. And perfect. Now here are all the videos. I can go through them by swiping up or swiping down. Perfect. And I can tap that photo there on the upper right there. See the word photo, and now I can go through the photos. I can swipe up, and there's a picture of me there. Let's just look at that one, eh? There we go. So you can go through your pictures, tap your picture, and you can look at your picture. And you can swipe through them, like that. But now I'm going to tap the squares in the upper left again. Perfect. Okay, there we go. It's hard to see on this screen back here, and it's also hard to see because of the glare there from the camera. But there you go. You can swipe through like that, and when you want to view, just tap it. Tap the photo or the video. So I'll tap the video again in the upper left there. Perfect. Now we're back to the video recordings. And if I so chose, I could delete them like this. I can tap that image in the upper right there. You see there's a little square there with an arrow on it. You may see that there, see that? And I'm going to tap that now. It's a little square with an arrow on it. I'm going to tap it. And now I can make selections to delete the video clips, or the photo clips, or the photographs, pardon me, if we were in photo mode there. So I can swipe through and begin tapping, and you can see as I tap them, a little check mark appears in the upper right of each clip. Now I can tap the garbage can now in the upper right. I can tap it now. And it says, are you sure you want to delete? You can cancel to not delete them, or tap confirm to confirm you want to delete. I'm simply going to tap cancel there. Press cancel on the screen. The cancel icon, good stuff. Now I can press the X in the upper left. And now the check marks have disappeared. Okay, perfect. So this is how we can view video and photo. Just remember, there's those tiles. I'll tap that arrow in the upper left there. Now we're back to the shooting screen, so now I'm going to swipe left again, just to reiterate, and there's those little squared tiles there in the upper left, tiled squares there. I'll tap them now. There they are. Tap them, and there we go. Perfect. Now I'll tap the arrow in the upper left to go back to the shooting screen. Okay, awesome. That is how you can view your videos and photos in a pinch that you have taken on your Akaso Brave 7. Remember now, if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. I will answer all I can. I'll get back to you when I can. Thank you all very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time.